tender mango coconut yogurt stew, or manga pachadi, or Aam Nariyal curry. Made with Maggi coconut powder. Today we are going to make tender mango coconut yogurt stew, or tender mango pachadi with Maggi coconut milk. The ingredients are mustard seeds, red chilli, onions cut into small pieces, curry leaves or sweet neem leaves, and tender mango peeled and cut into small pieces, and salt to taste. The next ingredients are yogurt or curd and 1 glass of coconut milk made from Maggi coconut powder. Putting the mustard seeds into the grinder. Close and grind for a short period so as to crush the mustard seeds. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. And let the oil get heated. Put in the onions, which have been cut into small pieces. Salt. Now put in the curry leaves and the tender mango pieces. Put in the salt. Mix and salt. The tender mango and onions and the curry leaves together. Salt for 4 to 5 minutes. Until the onions are completely brown. Put in 150 ml of water. Pour in 75 ml of the coconut milk. Mix all the ingredients with the coconut milk in the water. Close. Close and cook for 10 minutes. Occasionally stir the mixture after opening the lid. Open the lid and add the crushed sesame seeds, crushed mustard seeds. Add the crushed mustard seeds. Mix the mustard seeds which are crushed with the other mixture. And close and let it cook. After 10 minutes, open the lid and salt and crush the manga pieces. Pour in 100 ml of yogurt or curd. And mix thoroughly. Pour in the rest of the coconut milk. Mix. After 1 minute of cooking, close the flame, take off and serve. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. This is to slightly brown the items that we are going to garnish the stew with. Let the oil get heated up. Put in the mustard seeds which we have not crushed. And put in the red chillies after the mustard seeds pop. the mustard seeds have started popping. Put in the red chilies. Put in the curry leaves. Open and pour in the mustard seeds and the red chilies and the curry leaves into the prepared stew. Close. Now the stew can be served. This is the final tender mango coconut yogurt stew or Pacha manga pachadi made with Maggi coconut milk. This is the image before serving while it is in the pan. Finally, we have served the tender mango coconut yogurt stew or Pacha manga pachadi or Aam Nariyal stew. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe and press the notification button.